If your live option is not showing on TikTok, there could be a few reasons to that. So as you all know that there are two criterias in order to have a live option on your TikTok. The first one is you need to have at least 1,000 followers, and the second one is you need to be at least 18 years of age. If you have both of the criteria fulfilled and you still don't see the option of live on your TikTok, then you need to report this problem to TikTok. Head over to your app of TikTok first, come over to your profile section and then tap on the three lines on the top right and tap on settings and privacy. From here scroll down and tap on report a problem. Again scroll down, tap on live and tap on how to start a live. Now here it shows you the process that you need to do in order to start a live. Now you can tap on no, it did not help to solve the problem. Tap on need more help. You can type in something like this. If you want, you can also add in a screenshot. If you tap on this option right here, you can select the screenshot and attach it here, and after that you can tap on submit. Now after a few days you should be able to get a response from TikTok, and after they respond you should be able to get the live option on TikTok.